Let's configure the gauge in KMS.
Go to the dashboard and select a simple gauge widget. Click outside the gauge, then choose the tags and context you want to map with the filter. In this case, it's the meter. Set the minimum and maximum range, and optionally, display the values in percentage. Next, click on the needle, select the aggregation type, aggregation is mandatory, and define the color and name for the gauge. Now add another widget, the stage speed gauge. Similarly, click outside the gauge and map the meter tag and context. Set the range, min, max, enable percentage display if needed, and click on the needle to define aggregation, color, and name. The dashboard values will now update dynamically based on the selected filter. Next, add a multi-tile gauge. Select the voltage, current, and meter tags, then define the scale. You can add or remove needles as required. Click on each needle to set its properties, assign the tag, and give it a name. Finally, adjust the scale to 300 as the voltage is 240 volts to ensure proper visualization.